21 Lessons for 21st Century is one of the best-selling books of New York Times written by Yuval Noah Harari. Before going to the book, please subscribe our channel for more such content. Without wasting your precious time, let's start our topic. In this book, the author described the revolutions in the field of information technology and biotechnology, and it also explained how these domains transforming the world. Today, artificial intelligence enabled the machine to learn, think, and perform tasks like human beings, but in a faster and smoother way. From the driverless cars to highly advanced diagnostic equipment in the health sector, AI completely changes the manual and traditional world into a new and advanced one. Along with the multiple advantages, AI also carries severe challenges for the people. For example, a human error can only result in an accident, but if the chain of cars connected with each other through AI, then a small error in the system can lead to a disaster. The book also discussed the political, religious, social, and cultural challenges the globe has facing today. The author discusses global liberal order is unable to address the ecological collapse and technological revolution, and humans failed to create another effective order to address these issues. The writer mentioned that the people of today's world is more lonely throughout the history of human race. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram isolated human beings. The author said today's world is composed of a single civilization due to maximum similarities in the struggle of political and economical domains. He said interdependence is necessary to attain collective goals and face challenges. Harari said the wars and annexation has reduced in past couple of decades without some exceptional countries like Russia. Therefore, there is less chances for a major war, but not impossible. The author is also impressed by secular school of thought, and he insists the positive perspectives of secularism should be spread and implemented. Writer discusses the education system of 21st century is outdated based on ratification of information. He said the education system should focus on creativity, critical thinking, research, and innovation that prepare the children to address the new problem of the new world. In a nutshell, Harari pointed out the most important challenges and suffering of today's world in his book. There are possibilities for disagreement, but one has to read this book to strengthen his arguments about the changing world.